This video guides you through pairing your smartphone with your Skoda Fabia III from 2014 to 2021 via Bluetooth for hands-free calling and audio streaming. We'll cover the essential steps and tips for a seamless connection. The Skoda Fabia III is equipped with Bluetooth technology that allows wireless connection to your phone. Through the car's infotainment system, you can access settings for pairing and enjoy features like safe calling and music playback. Note that newer Fabia models may offer wireless Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, which provide enhanced mirroring features as alternatives to basic Bluetooth pairing. First, turn on your car's ignition to power up the infotainment system. On your infotainment system, navigate to the main menu. This may be Swing, Bolero, or Amundsen depending on your model. In the main menu, locate and select the Settings option. Within Settings, find and select the Bluetooth option. Ensure that Bluetooth is enabled on the car's system. If not, toggle it on. The interface may differ based on your specific model year and trim level. On your smartphone, whether Android or iOS, start by opening the Settings app. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Bluetooth to access the Bluetooth menu. If Bluetooth is off, tap the toggle to turn it on. Once on, your phone should be discoverable. If it doesn't automatically search for devices, tap to scan manually. Keep your phone close to the car's infotainment screen for optimal pairing. On the car's infotainment screen, you should see a list of available Bluetooth devices. Select your smartphone from the list. A PIN code will appear on the infotainment screen. Confirm that the same PIN code appears on your smartphone. Accept the pairing request on your phone. The default PIN is often 000 or 1234. After pairing, your smartphone may request permissions for contacts and call history. Grant these for hands-free calling functionality. Also allow audio access to stream music through the car's speakers. For microphone access during calls, allow permissions when prompted. During pairing, confirm the request to establish the connection. If pairing fails, first ensure that Bluetooth is enabled on both the smartphone and the car's infotainment system. Check the Control Center or Settings menu on your phone and navigate to the Bluetooth section in the car's display to confirm both are active. Try turning Bluetooth off and then back on again for both devices. This simple reset can resolve temporary connection issues and refresh the pairing protocols. If problems persist, delete any previous Bluetooth pairings from both the car's settings menu and your phone's Bluetooth list. Then repeat the pairing process from the beginning to establish a fresh connection. Interference from other wireless devices, such as nearby routers or electronics, can disrupt Bluetooth connections. Move away from potential sources of interference and ensure you're in an open area for better signal strength. Many Fabia III models, especially those manufactured after 2018, support wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This feature provides a more integrated experience than basic Bluetooth pairing, allowing seamless mirroring of your smartphone's interface directly onto the car's infotainment screen. Android Auto enables wireless mirroring of your Android phone's navigation, music apps, messaging, and more. Apple CarPlay offers comparable functionality with deep integration of Siri for voice commands and app control. Both provide high-fidelity audio and stable connections without manual Bluetooth pairing for each session. Future trends in automotive connectivity point towards ultra-wideband technology, or UWB. This advanced system uses precise location tracking to automatically pair devices when they're in close proximity to the vehicle, completely eliminating the need for manual pairing steps. Additionally, keep your Fabia III up to date with Skoda's over-the-air firmware updates to ensure optimal performance, improved security, and compatibility with the latest smartphone features.